February 18th. And the snow is still out here. It's melting. It's melting, but it's not melting fast enough. See? That snow is falling apart. See, there's more snow on here. And there was more snow on the cars, definitely. Let's see. Let's see, the snow's melting off the cars and on the ground and on people's roof. So, I mean, it's melting, but we're still trapped. It is not Thursday. It's been snowing since Sunday. Zari.
Just warning, all of the images are super
Have we had internet the whole morning?
Never mind. What do you do?
So Zari's using Dre's recipe and adding more seasoning to already high sodium ramen. That's not safe. It's not good for you. Like, look at it. She could barely eat it. You should just throw that away.
Okay.
Eat some applesauce or something. You know that thing was too salty for you. So we came up with the conclusion. Well, when I say we, I mean me. I figured if Frosty goes, the snow goes, and the cold go. Zari, take off the head.
1, 2, 3.
Like a piñata! Dre! Wait. Stand where Zari was standing so you don't hit the window. Take off the body. 1. Uh-oh.
Hit the middle part, Dre.
2. Okay. Zari, my turn. My turn. Ooh.
Ooh.
Dang, she angry. Frosty. Ma, you done?
Yeah. Okay, I'll let you do it again.
Okay. Okay, Dre, stop. Stop before you hurt somebody.
And now it's my turn.
Move before you get hurt. I thought y'all didn't want Frosty to go. Look.
I know. Mommy.
Okay. Maya, come hit it. Let Maya hit, Dre. Stop, Zari. Move back, Dre.
Right here. Mommy, I will throw a snowball at you.
Get rid of it. Bye, Frosty. Bye.
Hold on, Maya, can you move for a second?
Stop, my Zari, before you get hit. Doesn't even recording. Oh, man. Good dog. I was woo. Look at it. When we do it, the Lord is good. Look, it's sun outside. The sun is out. You can see grass. The snow is melting. And all we had to do was get rid of the snowman. This is crazy. The snowman was keeping the snow here. The chairs the chairs are without snow almost. You can see grass. It's beautiful. Look at the trees. Is the icicle still out here? The icicles are gone. Oh yeah. Progress. Look, the icicles are on the ground. Progress. Oh wow. This is crazy. This is insane. The playhouse. The snow is.
We're stuck in the house.
Oh, UPS is working. So, we're going for a walk.
Like if it is, thank here to cover her cheek.
She could snap it. She could put on her hoodie.
Okay.
And
You just don't want to burn her face with her face.
Just snap it.
Now this
Snap
is
it for
more
her.
revenge.
Huh?
Snap
for
it.
her. Don't you dare touch me with that snow, little girl. Don't you do it. Don't you throw that snowball at me. You're gonna chase me, you're gonna fall. Stop it. Stop it.
Ah.
Hey, Elsa. The code what?
The cold never bothered me anyway.
Frontier shit. Frontier customers.
Being attacked by a little person. You stop it. She picking up boulders, man.
Come here, Mommy.
Stay away from me.
You don't want to mess with me.
Oh my God, Zach, your daughter got boulders. Hey, be careful. Zach, she gonna hurt me. Zach!
That's what you get for messing with me.
Yeah, stop attacking me. As you guys can see, the snow is finally starting to melt in some areas. I'm out of breath because Ariana was throwing rocks at me. Literally frozen ice she was throwing at me. Look, you guys, the sun is out. Talking about progress. The whole backyard is almost completely snowless. There's some pile left of the reindeer, snowman. And the front yard is still completely covered, only because the sun is only in the back for some reason. There's still some patches where you can see the snow is going away, but for the most part, we still have some snow outside. You think it's gonna be all gone by tomorrow, Dre? Yeah? Hope so. Hope so. Still some snow on the streets. Still some snow on the streets, and definitely some snow still on the ground. And in the backyard, when you open up the door, it's not that cold, but in the front yard, it still feels cold. So weird. This is completely mind-boggling that the snow is gone and the roads are clear like nothing ever happened. The sun is pounding. Just this morning, the front yard was still covered in snow, and now the front yard is basically cleared off. We're on our way to Target, so yeah, that's where we're at. Target. What you need? So this one is hating on Dre and Zari coconut water.
What do you hate?
Well, you hating, but then why you hating? You know they broke though. When it's time to shop, they a no show. Yeah, they hungry, but we solo. Some fish eating ass people. Some grilled chicken eating.
How long you wanted that?
Yeah. I'm gonna try one of your
No,
cars.
you're not trying nothing.
Yes, I am.
You have your chance.
What you gonna do?
Knock the head off.
Okay. No, I got you. No. Yeah, knock my head off. So my head is off my body.
Yeah.
We know who did it.
You ain't gonna think it's anime.
You gonna think it's anime?
Yeah.
Listen, I wanted to be healthy and find the individually wrapped lifesavers, but I couldn't, so this is what I got. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do with this. What it do, lifers? What's good? What's good? I am actually just coming by. To say thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna go ahead and edit this vlog. I'm not even sure what's on here, but look, my appearance is fooling you guys. I got on a whole scarf, a sweater, and a beanie, but we call it Scully in Miami, on. This is actually with the snowman hat on. So, yes, it's actually a sunny day outside. It's not hot, but it's not cold. I just came back from the store, and it was a lot of people who had on jackets and beanies and stuff like that on. So yeah, I think we just traumatized and scared as to what just happened to us via the storm. Yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and edit this vlog, get me some breakfast. Oh dang, it's 11:36. I didn't even know it was that late. But I'm gonna go ahead and get me some breakfast, edit this vlog, and yeah, now Pita, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Later. Deuces.